In this video, we'll be going over the environment properties that were recently added into the Synode builder. To get to the environment panel, click on the mountain logo on the top left of the screen. The first section that we'll cover are our preset environments. We have 8 environments to choose from. Some like small studios, some outdoor scenery, garages, the outdoors, and street views. For the environment properties section, we have 2 options. First is the rotation, which changes the direction of the light source hitting your 3D model. As for our second option, we have the environment intensity, which changes the brightness of your model. Next up is tone mapping. Tone mapping changes the light in your scene to different presets, such as linear, Reinhard, Cineon, ASS Filmic, AGX, and neutral. You can also change the exposure for your tone mapping as well. Now we have our background settings. There are 2 options to change the background itself. The first option is the preset environment that we've already covered, and our second option being gradient backgrounds. This uses 2 solid colors to gradient in between the 2 colors you choose. So for this example, for our first color, we can change it from white to red, and the bottom color to be pink. Now, obviously you wouldn't want this bright, but you get the idea. Now we can change our background intensity, which in the name changes the light of the intensity of your background. We can do this on the gradient, or we can click Use Environment, and it also affects the environment as well. Now for the background blur, this changes the blur of your background. Another use case for the background blur is, for example, with this environment scene, if you like the color scheme, you can blur it just enough to where it'll be a perfect blend. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. You can also join our Discord with the link in the description.